A blizzard warning has been issued across the Midwest. In Minnesota, winds are howling. In Michigan, snow is falling without mercy. In Illinois, roads are disappearing under white silence. The sky is gray. The air is sharp. The world feels frozen. But inside every home, inside every heart, there is something stronger than the storm. A father steps outside to clear the driveway, not because it's easy, but because his family depends on him. A nurse drives slowly through icy streets because someone in a hospital needs hope. A truck driver moves carefully across the highway, bringing food, fuel, and supplies. The blizzard roars, but the people stand steady. The Midwest has seen storms before, and every time it proves the same truth. Snow can cover the roads, but it cannot cover courage. Wind can shake the windows, but it cannot shake determination. Ice can freeze the ground, but it cannot freeze the human spirit. So if you are facing a storm in your life right now, maybe not made of snow, but of struggle, fear, or doubt, remember the Midwest. Storms don't last forever. Blizzards pass. Sky is clear. Sunlight returns. And when it does, it shines on those who refuse to give up. The storm is temporary. Your strength is permanent. Stay steady. Stay brave. Keep moving forward. Because after every blizzard comes a brighter sky.